So it's that time for us to plant another row of okra for our succession plant. I normally like to give okra plenty of room, about 4 feet, but I've got a spot right here that I'm not using, and I'm going to plant it here. And my green blaze beans are going to be gone in just a couple of weeks, so I can move them out of the way, and I have plenty of room. And my strawberries on the other side, well, they're time to move them out too. So I'll plant my okra here, reuse this drip tape, and then when my okra gets up, I could take these other plants out and have plenty of room. So I'm going to reuse this strip tape. I'm going to take it up and move it out of the way, take my wheel hoe, lay off the fur. Then I'll take my drip tape, lay back into the fur. At that point, I'm going to take some complete organic fertilizer and distribute into the fur. We'll come back and we'll cover the drip tape and the complete organic up. We will then turn our drip tape on, and we will see where the emitters are every 12 inches, and that's perfect spacing for our jambalaya okra. Then we'll go through here and we will punch little holes, and we will plant our jambalaya okra every 12 inches apart on an emitter.
Mm-hmm.